Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your progress. Copy the Bonelab folder and saves to a safe location. Next, make sure the game version matches the mod's target build. Mismatches break hooks. Once done, verify BepInEx is installed into the game root and that you have the correct x64 runtime and NET redists. These provide the injection layer mods need. Make sure antivirus isn't quarantining DLLs, because missing files are the most common silent failure. You now place OnlyWay plus any complementary mods into BepInEx/plugins, keeping the folder clean and avoiding duplicate DLLs. Once done, organize load order by prefixing file names if two mods patch the same systems. This prevents overwrites. Then edit BepInEx/config to enable verbose logging so you can read what loads and what fails. If a mod lists dependencies, install them first. Otherwise, the plugin will silently refuse to initialize, which shows up in the log. You should launch Bonelab and monitor the BepInEx console closely. Look for stack traces or missing type errors. If the game crashes or mods don't appear, quit and restore the backup, then add mods one at a time to isolate the offender. Once a culprit is found, update that mod or its dependency. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing loads, check the Unity player. DLL hook and confirm you use the correct 64-bit loader version. Mismatched loaders are a frequent silent failure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.